welcome back. Today we will learn about birds. Okay, let's start. Here are some examples of birds. The ruby-throated hummingbird, the American robin, the yellow-rumped warbler, the blue jay, the eastern bluebird, the sparrow, the stork, the pigeon, the owl, the hummingbird, the parrot, the cuckoo, the hornbill, the woodpecker, the swan, the quail, and the emu. Here are the body parts of a bird. The eye, the head or crown, the beak, the wings, the leg, the claws, the belly, and the tail. These are the characteristics of birds. Birds are warm-blooded. They have feathers, beaks, and scales on their legs. They have 2 feet and 2 wings. They have light bones, which helps in flying. They lay eggs, which they usually keep in their nests until they hatch. They live in different parts of the world, including remote islands and polar regions. Special birds. Some birds cannot fly. In spite of that, they are able to live well in their environment. The ostrich is too heavy to fly. Its wings are not strong enough to carry its big body. Instead, the ostrich has strong, powerful legs that allow it to run fast. The kiwi bird can only be found in New Zealand. It has tiny wings which are not strong enough to let it fly. However, it does not have natural predators, so it has been able to survive its environment. The penguin lives in the polar regions. It is able to do this because of its special skin and feathers, which allow it to keep itself warm enough. It is able to dive deep and swim fast because of the shape of its body and its flipper-like wings. Special birds in the Philippines. There are birds that can only be found in the Philippines. Here are some of them. The Palawan peacock pheasant, the Luzon bleeding heart dove, the Visayan Tarictic hornbill, the Philippine honey buzzard, the Mindanao lorikeet, and the whiskered pita. Some of these birds are endangered. To save them, it is important to save the environment in which they live. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and keep safe. See you, pretty fam!